Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how we enter a search into DataTrace. I'm going to use a Yavapai County file. Hopefully we'll get a nice easy one. It'll move right along. First thing I'm going to do is, this is our title portal here. This is what will show when we have an order that we're going to search. I'm going to take the parcel number off of there and enter it into DataTrace. So I click on taxes, pulls up a screen, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter the parcel number. Click the add button, and then I submit. That tells me the owner of the property right here, gives me a vesting deed, the instrument number. It also tells me something about the property, the lot and the subdivision. This is in Prescott Valley number 17, and it's lot 6958. Tells me there's a mobile home on the property and it is affixed. There's also a guest house. There's some other improvements out there. It just gives you some information. It's very good to know when you're doing a title search. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and enter this instrument number so that I can just double check that we have the right people in our file. So I'll go over here, click instrument, and I'll enter 2017 6435. That should pull up information regarding that document. It tells me Pioneer Title insured at last. It gives me my legal description, and it tells me who bought the property. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the order that was opened on this file right here. My seller is Floyd and Dawn. You can see it only lists Floyd, so I know that I have to enter Dawn into my general index search. I'm going to take a look at this deed, make sure Pioneer did in fact insure it. They did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that, the lot and block, book and page for my search. I'm also going to highlight Floyd's name, and I'm going to add those. This is going to create a title search. Because I know that Floyd's married to Dawn, I'm also going to enter Dawn in here. I will update, and it pulls both names. Then I'm going to enter my buyer. We run the buyer just in case there's liens against the buyer. Now because I know that Tammy and Clinton may have nicknames, I'm going to add the nickname feature to this search. Add those to my search. I'm going to go back and add the taxes to my search. In each case, I click add. That's all I need to do my title search, except I want to put in my file number so we can run date downs. So I copy it right out of here and paste it in up here, and then I back out the escrow officer's initials because we don't include those when we run a search. And then I simply hit submit. We just wait for our search to come up, which will show down here. Here's my check of the parcel. I want to save that for my file. Here's my tax search, and here is my title search. I'll pull this up just so you can see what the title search will look like. You've probably seen these in your files. This is what it will look like. This is what we work from. It shows us bases that we have that are open on our lot or adjoining lots. It'll show everything that's recorded against the property. In this case, the title plant doesn't go back as far as Maricopa, so we also need to check the county to make sure that we're going back far enough to get a good search. Most of the other counties aside from Maricopa, we have to do that, so it does take a bit longer. But that's a title search, and as you can see, that only took 4 minutes. Then we got to interpret the search. That takes a bit longer, but this is how you do a title search, and this is all you need to pull everything up and take a look. Thank you.